Today, I'll walk you through how to enable rotation or 3D view in Google Maps on a computer or PC, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access the 3D view feature so you can explore your surroundings like never before. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the Apps button. Click on it to reveal a menu of Google services. This is your gateway to accessing Google Maps. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps where you can start your journey. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Once you're in Google Maps, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Satellite. Click on this option to switch from the standard map view to a satellite view. This view provides a more realistic representation of the terrain, which is essential for enabling the 3D feature. Next, you will want to click on the More option located in the same bottom left corner. This will open up additional features that Google Maps has to offer. After you click on More, look for the option labeled Globe View. Clicking this will activate a globe-like view of the Earth, allowing you to see the curvature of the planet. This is a crucial step in enabling the 3D view, so take your time to locate it. Finally, to access the full 3D experience, click on the 3D option. This will transform your view into a three-dimensional perspective, allowing you to rotate and explore the landscape in a more immersive way. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled rotation and 3D view in Google Maps. Now you can explore cities, landscapes, and landmarks from a whole new perspective. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.